If you've been following my channel, you'll know I've been on a mission to find the ultimate wardrobe organizing app. From exploring Stylebook, Purple and Acloset to deep diving into Wearing, Cladwell and Style DNA. I've tried them all, putting their features, styling tools and outfit generators to the test. Each app has brought something unique to the table, but today I'm taking on Indyx, a wardrobe app with a twist. The ability to hire a personal stylist to create a custom lookbook just for you. In this video, I'll walk you through how the app works, from uploading your wardrobe and logging your outfits to how the stylist features fit into the process. Then in part 2, I'll be testing out the Lookbook Stylist Experience. I'll share my full lookbook review, including the outfits my stylist created and how they worked for my lifestyle. So if you're curious about how it all comes together, you'll definitely want to stick around for both. Before we dive into the outfits, let's take a closer look at how Indyx works. This app takes wardrobe organization to the next level, offering a streamlined system to catalog your clothing, track your wardrobe stats, and even get personalized styling advice. I'll walk you through the process of uploading items, how the app categorizes them, and the unique features it offers. And of course, we'll explore the standout feature, hiring a personal stylist to create a custom lookbook. So let's jump into the nitty-gritty and see what sets Indyx apart from the other wardrobe apps I've tried. To start with, let's talk about pricing and setup. The Indyx app is free to download and use, which gives you access to the core features like uploading your wardrobe and organizing your items. Compared to other wardrobe apps I've tried, it runs smoothly and is free of ads, and has a really clean, user-friendly interface. For more advanced tools, there's a paid insider subscription. This unlocks extra features like a wardrobe analytics dashboard with stats on your closet's composition, usage, and cost per wear, unlimited outfit selfies to log your daily looks, and a thumbnail overview mode that makes it faster and easier to build and visualize outfits at a glance. You also get high-resolution image viewing so you can see your closet in greater detail, and social styling, which lets you get outfit advice from friends or fellow Indyx users. On top of that, you can join the private Slack community for advice and support and receive 10% off stylist services like the lookbook. The insider subscription costs $119.99 AUD per year or $18.99 AUD per month, but you can still use the app for free if those advanced features aren't essential for you. Now, let's dive into how the app works and what you can expect from the setup process. Indyx is organized with 5 main menus located at the bottom of the app: Explore, Connect, Your Wardrobe, Style, and Profile, each offering different features to enhance your wardrobe and styling experience. Here's a quick breakdown of each one. Let's dive into the Explore section, which is packed with resources and tools to help you refine your style and get the most out of the Indyx app. At the top, you'll find 2 standout features. The Style Quiz is a great starting point for defining your personal style. It consists of a series of questions where you choose outfits that resonate with you most, helping to put language around your style preferences. Based on your answers, the quiz will suggest 3 star words that it thinks describe you best. However, the app goes one step further and provides a massive list of additional style words in the same vein, allowing you to choose the 3 words that resonate most with you. It's a great way to begin your style journey and discover your style archetypes. The Style Workshop is an 8-week email series designed to help you define your true personal style. Every Saturday, you'll receive a new email packed with tips and exercises to guide you through the process. I personally participated in this, and while I'd already done a lot of this type of work before, I found it to be a great introduction to the app. It's especially useful for beginners looking to establish a clearer understanding of their style and how to approach curating their wardrobe. As you scroll further down in the Explore section, you'll come across several other helpful resources. Here you can get detailed insights into the app's features, such as the insider, item, outfit, referral, calendar, the feed, and open closet. Each feature is explained through videos and written content to help you understand how to use them effectively. These videos give a helpful breakdown of how to navigate the app and maximize its potential. If you want to dive even deeper into topics like style and sustainability, there's a wealth of articles available to read. These articles can give you additional context on the style philosophy behind Indyx, tips for building a sustainable wardrobe, and other interesting insights related to personal style. In this section, you get a great mix of self-paced learning and useful tools, all designed to help you refine your personal style and make the most of your wardrobe. Whether you're just starting out or you've been on this journey for a while, there's plenty of value to be found here. Now let's move on to the Connect menu, which is where you can interact with other users and gain inspiration from their wardrobes. In the Connect section, you get access to an overview of other users' open closets. Each profile includes a profile picture, their name, location, and their 3 star words, which helps you identify individuals whose style resonates with you. This feature makes it easy to connect with like-minded users and explore their wardrobes for fresh ideas. If you find a profile or wardrobe that you really like, you can pin it to your own collection by tapping the pin icon in the top right corner. This lets you save the profiles that inspire you the most so you can refer back to them whenever you need some style guidance. Once you're inside someone's closet, you can browse all their items and outfits. This is a great way to get a closer look at how others style their pieces and to gather new outfit ideas. If you come across an item you really love, you can tap the bell icon to be notified if that user ever decides to sell it, giving you a chance to purchase it when it becomes available. In the outfits section, you can favorite any looks you love by tapping the heart icon, which makes it easy to keep track of outfits that you find inspiring or want to recreate. At the top of each profile, you can also find links to their social media profiles, allowing you to follow them outside of the app if you want more style inspiration. In the wardrobe section, you can add all your clothing items using the plus icon at the bottom. When adding items to your wardrobe, the Indyx app automatically removes the background from your photos, making it look clean and streamlined. To get the best results, it's recommended to capture each item in a flat lay position by laying it down and taking the photo directly above. This ensures the app can best process and organize your pieces. However, I still prefer to use images of the items being worn, as it gives me a better sense of how they look in real life and allows me to easily visualize the outfits I've created. The Outfits tab allows you to create outfits from your pieces. The Collections tab helps you create packing lists, shopping lists, or capsule wardrobes. In the top right corner, you'll find 2 icons: the calendar to log your daily outfits, as well as individual pieces, available for everyone, and add daily outfit selfies, which is only available for the insiders, and the stats icon, which provides data-driven insights into your wardrobe, also exclusive to insiders. If you're an insider, you can also drag and drop items or view a bird's eye view of your wardrobe for easier access. Without an insider subscription, you'll need to scroll, filter, or search to find your items and outfits, which can be challenging and time-consuming. There's no option to get outfits styled for you unless you purchase a personal styling package. Within each item in your wardrobe, you can see the outfits that piece has been styled in, helping you visualize how it works with your other items. You can also add detailed information such as the purchase price, original price, whether it was secondhand, times worn, date purchased, brand, color, size, material, and condition. Additionally, you can give each item a custom name, which can make it easier to search for later. You can also tag items by season, visibility, or other custom hashtags, which helps with organizing and finding items in your digital closet without having to scroll through everything. This level of detail makes it easy to stay organized and track the life cycle of each piece in your wardrobe. Next, let's explore the style section where you can book a variety of personal styling services to elevate your wardrobe and make styling decisions easier. The Lookbook. If you're looking for something a bit more detailed, the Lookbook is priced at $150 plus per lookbook, again, depending on the stylist you select. With this service, you get 10 outfits styled entirely from your own closet or with a few new suggestions mixed in. Each outfit comes with styling notes that provide tips and tricks to really bring each look to life. If you're looking to fully organize and archive your wardrobe, the catalog is available for $295 plus per 100 items. An Indyx wardrobe archivist will visit your home at a convenient time for you and professionally catalog up to 100 items within 5 hours. This service includes beautiful flat lay photos and detailed information capturing each item's brand, size, color, and category. It's a great way to get your closet organized and visually documented for future reference. Lastly, the profile section is where you manage your account settings. Here you can adjust your wardrobe analytics, update your insider membership. You can also use the referral feature to invite friends and contact the Indyx team for support. This section keeps all your settings and account management in one convenient place. Overall, Indyx is a thoughtfully designed, user-friendly wardrobe app that really stands out in a crowded field. I love how intuitive the layout is and that it's free of ads or clunky navigation, something I can't say for a lot of the other apps I've tested. Some of my favorite features include the style quiz that helps you define your personal style in 3 words, the social styling option that lets you interact with friends or browse other users' wardrobes for inspiration, and of course, the ability to hire a stylist directly within the app, which I'll be testing in detail in part 2, so stay tuned for that. In terms of improvements, there are just a few small things I'd love to see. Within the Outfits tab, it would be really helpful to have customizable occasion categories, like casual, work, or activewear, to make it easier to sort and filter. You can kind of do this through capsules in the collections section, but that's a few extra steps and doesn't feel quite as intuitive. I'd also love to see multi-upload functionality added. It would make the wardrobe setup process much faster, since right now you have to add 1 photo at a time. And while we're at it, having a broader range of color options to tag your items would be a great bonus too. Another area that could use some fine tuning is the outfit builder interface. While it's definitely better now with the layer adjustment buttons, it can still be fiddly, especially when trying to resize smaller items like jewelry. The bounding boxes can get in the way, and I often end up dragging the wrong item instead of the one I intended to select. And one more small tweak. When adding outfits to the calendar, it would be handy if the outfit photo automatically became the cover image rather than having to set it manually each time. As for the insider subscription, I'll admit the nearly 20 AUD a month price tag gave me pause. I do wish there were some flexible tiers or the option to unlock just a few of the premium features. That said, even if you choose to stick with the free version, I still think Indyx is absolutely worth the download and worth the time it takes to upload your wardrobe. The value you get out of seeing your closet visually laid out, creating outfits, and logging what you wear is genuinely helpful and can completely change the way you approach your style. I've been really impressed so far, and I'm excited to see how the Stylist Experience stacks up. In the next video, I'll be reviewing my custom lookbook, trying on all 10 outfits my stylist created, and sharing what worked, what didn't, and whether the service is worth it. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss part 2.